In primetime news this evening, consumers in St. Elizabeth and surrounding areas told to brace for increase in beef prices.
Commuting nightmare in some rural parishes on Friday due to flooding.
And vendors land in legal hot water after breaching vending regulations in Santa Cruz. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. Welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Dwayne Anderson.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. Now, later in the financial week, we'll tell you why the BOJ had to intervene in the foreign exchange market yesterday and again today.
And Spencer Darlington is here to give us a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Dwayne. Well, the West Indies and Bangladesh will begin their ODI series Saturday morning Jamaica time. We'll have the preview in Primetime Sports later.
Thanks, Spencer. And Romain is also here with what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Felicia. Now, the heaviest activity this afternoon was taking place across sections of central parishes. We recorded some 60 millimeters north over northern portions of St. Catherine, and we did have heavy amounts also across sections of St. Anne. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
All eyes on the weather because of all the rain we've been getting this afternoon, Kalisha. Now, there's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather later in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, how do you keep yourself and your loved ones safe using the beach during the holidays?
Share comments online at facebook.com/TVJamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.